Do a stream of consciousness.
Alright.
So I'm gonna switch to tool 2, which is our edge finder.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put our edge finder into position so I'm able to get our 0. So what I'm gonna do is make sure bring it down, make sure it's not gonna hit anything on its way down.
Uh-huh.
Gonna hit something, so I'm moving to Y, bring it down carefully. Now I'm gonna make sure that this little path probe right here
Yeah.
is halfway down so it's able to contact the workpiece surface.
Okay.
The edge. So it's halfway down, I'm able to touch it. Now I'm gonna go in the X direction. Now I'm going to write the code so it moves, the edge finder is able to spin. So M03 is clockwise, and then spindle speed of 700.
Okay.
Close the door so I can start the program. I'm going to open the door again. Hand jog it in the X direction. I'm going to do the X first. So I'm going to go this way. Once it gets close, you see that it stops wobbling. Right there, and then I'm able to go slower and then crank right when it juts out. Right there.
Alright.
So as we see, it's negative 0.1, so it's pretty zeroed, so I'm just gonna leave it. Or actually okay. So I go to the work offset 0, and I'm able to, instead of recording down the numbers, I can press part 0 set. On the X, and that makes it 0. I just don't forget later to offset by 0.1. So I'm gonna go back to hand jog, out. I'm gonna go in the Y direction now. Okay, now I'm slowing it down, going touches. Can't touch, so I'm gonna go to offset. Oh, this is pretty close too, so I'm gonna hit part 0 set. And now I'm done with the edge finder.
Uh-huh.
So I'm gonna back out my edge finder. Bring it up to Z. Stop it from spinning. And now I'm gonna make sure I'm do my offset of the edge finder because it's the radius of the edge finder is 0.1 and it touches the sides.
Yeah.
And make sure I get in the center. So I'm going to hand jog, go to my X. So I'm going to guess, I'm going to eyeball it. So that's about close to about being halfway. And now we know it's going to be a positive 0.1 that we're going to offset by.
0.1.
So positive 0.1. And then part 0 set my X. Now I'm going to go to my Y. It's about the spot, so now we know it's a positive 0.1. So I'm gonna 0.1 and check it, make sure it's centered. It is. So I'm gonna do part 0 set, and now that is how you 0 it.